Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to learn about encoding. Okay, so as you know, we already perform so many machine learning projects and data analysis projects, and in our machine learning projects, before applying any algorithm, we do label encoding and we use different encoding techniques to convert our categorical columns to the numerical columns. Okay, so in this video, we are briefly understanding what is this encoding. Okay, let's start with encoding. Okay, so let's understand what is encoding. So basically, if we are applying any machine learning model, first we need to convert our categorical variables into a numerical value so that they can be understood by machine learning model. Okay, and machine learning model can only work with numerical data. Okay, mark my word that machine learning models can only work with numerical data. If you are applying machine learning model on any categorical variable, or your data set is having one or two categorical variables, it will provide you an error. Okay, so we must need to convert or encode our categorical variables to the numerical data before they can be used as input to a model. Okay, and let's understand what are the different encoding techniques. Okay, so as you know, here our encoding is performed on categorical variables. Okay, and here we have two types of encoding: nominal encoding techniques and ordinal encoding techniques. These are the two types of techniques which we use. Okay, so in nominal encoding techniques are used for nominal categorical variables. So what are they? So basically nominal categorical variables are basically, if we are talking about true, false, state, name of states, name of cities, name of countries, name of any male, female, or if we are talking about any product, gender, these kind of variables are come under nominal categorical variables. Or in ordinal categorical variables, in this we have to worry about ranks, orders. Okay, ordinal means we can rearrange the category based on ranks. Okay, so basically in ordinal categorical variables, remember that whenever we use ordinal encoding, we need to use these techniques on rank or orders. Okay, any data, categorical data which is having ranks or orders, then we can use ordinal encoding techniques. And when we're talking about state, gender, true or false, anything like that, then we use nominal categorical variables. Okay, in nominal encoding, we have three types of encodings: one hot encoding with many categorical variables, and mean encoding. Okay, now in ordinal encoding techniques, we have label encoding, target guided ordinal encoding technique. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe and for more such videos.